G'day guys, it's Chris here and Dave from Earthbooming Technology Solutions. Earthbooming Technology Solutions, a new company that's been started out of Solution, Plan I and Earthbooming Equipment Australia. Earthbooming Technologies is now the sole distributor, and very proud sole distributor and supplier and support provider for shaft grades. We're going to tell you how we're going to help increase the versatility of your machine, help you get more work, and how we're going to support you through that process.
Thanks, Chris. But look, the way we're going to do that is really simple. These machines, when they're delivered to you, they'll be in one piece with technology installed onto these machines, with somebody from Earthmoving Technology Solutions there waiting to train your operators. So all you need to do is hand over your posi, we'll connect it up, we'll do hydraulic calibrations, we'll mount the displays, it'll be all set up for you and running with technology. So what we have the machines as they are, and they can be supplied from Earthmoving Technology Solutions without any technology. Okay, so we supply these. We've found that the MOBA 2D laser system works extremely well with these shaft grades. So if you've got your own laser rolling around the back of your ute, you're more than welcome. You can use that, or you can come to us and we can supply you with a laser if you don't have one, or if yours doesn't meet the specifications. And when we come to your site, we've got service technicians within our company now that have all got extensive experience with MOBA, Trimble, Topcon and Leica. They will come and they will show you how to set your lasers up on site. They'll calibrate all your machines, and then they'll spend as long as you need them to be on site to train all your operators to get your equipment up and running and to make you more productive and profitable.